Avocado and egg. I love it. Annie had some yesterday. Oh, hers looks so good. She did a good job of making it. Hey, Annie. I'm with you on the weight loss program. Yeah. So good. I'm trying to eat it while it's still warm. I don't really like cold eggs, but this is awesome. Very warm, very good. Look at that. Does that look good or what? Alright. Hope you all have an awesome day. My friend Annie online on YouTube talking about wanting to do a collab for weight loss, and I think healthy eating collab and weight loss would be great. I've been thinking lately, since I'm doing more eating than normal, or it seems like it anyway. I've been worried that I might be gaining weight, and I don't want that. I don't need that. So I think it's a good idea to have a collab, do weight loss, see how it goes, get a little healthier. I gotta get to town and get my weight and see how I can do. Public shopping center has a scale, so see how that goes. This was awesomely good this morning. Anyways, hope you all having a good day. Join us on our collab to help lose some weight and eat a little bit better, eat some more healthier foods. I'm sure we're still going to have burrito days and pizza at Pizza Boy. But I think as long as we don't overdo those days, then we'll be alright. Just don't eat too much. And you don't look like you need to lose no weight. But I'm with it. I know I could. So anyway, I'm going to stop in this morning and say hey quick. Today I've been going back and forth, so I didn't let my birds out yet, my flock. Today's one of the first days I ate first. I gotta go out and keep an eye on my baby chickens, because they're out. They're going to be out when I let everybody else out, because they're all together today. I want to feed the cats first, make sure they're all not hungry. Baby chickens are doing pretty good. They're pretty big. They sound like chickens now, at least. And my morning milk. So anyways, I hope you all have an awesome day and join us on our collab. Don't have to be perfect. If you don't lose weight, that's cool. We just want to try to eat healthier and do some good things, and maybe help some other people along the way, and maybe have a little bit of fun and get to meet new people, which would be awesome. And we're hoping that our subscribers and everybody else that's tuning in will join in with us. Let us know how you're doing. So, peace, love, and happiness. Hope you all have an awesome day, and we'll talk to you later.